6 cats, 2 owners, 2 peaceful households. In Vienna and liberty we live. Calm us cats are, so our owners might think. Quietness comes home as soon as they do. While away, promiscuously we run. On the counters we play, etc. When they return, back to cautious we act. But not today, so their speculations end.
Oh, Pepper, Sniper, Captain, where are you?
Meow.
Oh, Cappy Pants, my favorite of them all.
Oh, gets hurt. Are the treats worth going?
Sniper, stop. She loves us. Well, perhaps not you.
Good morning, kitties. Have some yummy treats. Psst. Captain, is she watching me right now?
Oh, brother, she won't hurt you, I promise.
I'll be back later. Behave yourselves.
Morning, Jack. Time for me to get ready.
Are you awake, Spice? It is too early.
Yeah, over here, looking out the window.
I hear the faucet. Yes. I have to go.
Oh, Beeban, you're just the silliest. All right, kitties, off to school I go. Bye.
Finally, there is some peace and quiet.
Well, what now? Do you want to have a race?
Tempting, but I want to play Counter Wars.
You're on. Last one there's a rotten treat.
I may be old, but I still got game, kid.
Hey, you're a cheater. I didn't say go, but I'm amazed at how you just did that.
I'm still agile, like in my kitty days.
I'm coming for you now, oldie.
You know, I am kind of bored right now, Jack. How about we go try to find the catnip?
Of course, Spice. That stuff is my favorite.
Yay, I saw it sitting on the counter.
Oh boy, there was a whole bag of this stuff.
We're gonna be so crazy tonight.
I haven't felt this good in a long time.
Me either. We are quite a bit loopy.
Spice, that jingle bell's in the hallway.
Yes, I love that bell. Let's go play with it.
Whoa, there's a whole inundation of them. Today has been amazing. I love this.
Pepper, do you want to help us?
Don't you guys know how to paw at the door?
I'm sorry. We'll leave you alone.
No, I already shut off my music. I'm waiting. This better be important.
It is. Can you be our announcer, please?
Yeah, we're gonna have a wrestling match.
Fine, I'll do it under one condition.
Name it. We will do whatever. Right, Cap?
Right. Do you want my toys? I'll go get them.
No, no, no. I want your delicious treats.
All right, easy. That is not a problem.
Both of yours, all of them, for the next week.
Whoa, that's a lot, Pepper, but we need you.
Perfect. Give me a few minutes to come down.
Thank you. I can't wait. You're going down, Snipes.
Yeah, don't start trash talking, Cappy Pants.
Hey, only Olivia calls me that.
Boys, out of my room now or the deal's off. Oh, why hello there, Milo. Please come in.
Hey neighbors, what's up? It's been a while.
Oh, how we've missed you. Let's go have some fun.
I have an idea. Do you still have that lunch meat I love? Ham, I think it is. Yum, you guys should really try some of this.
Well, Natalie probably won't like this.
But Milo is right. This stuff is so good.
Jack, you've already had catnip today.
Natalie isn't home. She won't find out. Come on, let's get this show on the road, please.
Here's a mic. Use this to introduce us.
Ah, lame. Hustle into your corners, boys. Felines and kitties, let's begin the fray. Now, time to introduce our fighters. First, in this corner, Crazy Cappy Pants. Second, in the far corner, Sneaky Snipes. The fight will begin in 3, 2, 1, go!
I find it so thrilling to walk on this. Natalie always wonders how I do it. I guess it's just easy for a cat.
Honestly, I'm not sure how you do it. I would fall down the stairs and break my tail.
Wait a second. Let's see how good you are. Try to balance while we throw treats at you, Spice.
Okay, challenge accepted. Let's begin.
Whoa. Ah. Ah. Whoa.
Told you guys I was good. Don't doubt my skills.
I must admit, that was so impressive.
Guys, I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna nap. Feel free to join me when you're done playing.
I think Olivia will be home soon.
Stop worrying. Don't be a buzzkill, please.
Way to go, Captain. You're in big trouble. Just wait until Olivia sees this. Speaking of Olivia, she's home. Pepper, we gotta get out of here quick.
Oh my! Captain, get off the table now! Can't believe my eyes. You are so bad.
I'm gonna have to keep an eye out now.
No more transgressions in this house. No, you don't deserve any ham today. You disappoint me, Cappy Pants.
Hey guys, I think Natalie's back home. Did we put the things away we had out?
Yes, it's all clear. Everything's up.
I need to leave. Fast. I can't be here.
I have an idea. We will have to devise a plan, fast. Be super quiet. Spice and I will go into the kitchen, and you will have to asunder from us. Then, make a break for it out the front door.
This plan doesn't seem like such a good thought. I must go hide upstairs. I can't be here.
Ugh, I can never discern the right key. Milo, really? Natalie is coming now.
Yes. I hear you. The plan will work great.
Jack, Spice, I'm home from school. Come see me.
Hey Jackie, how was your day? I've missed you. Did you hear that? I think someone's here.
Is something wrong, Phoebe? Are you okay? I'm very disappointed in you, Jack. I always tell people how good you are. Come home to find ham on the floor and open catnip all over the I'm sorry, Jack. Now you have lost my trust. Too fast! Then I come home to find ham on the floor and open catnip all over. Really? Not now. God. It'll be easy. It'll be quick and easy, and then we're done. This is like giving a shot to a kid.
Do you have any last words? No? Okay. Do you have any last words? We've heard it here, folks.
Did it!
Can you please look a little more enthused?
No?
Oh,
Jack, Spice, I'm home from school. Come see me.
Come
two cats get killed.
Hey, keep touching the bar. Keep touching it. Let me open it. Back up. Don't get him to jump in. Just jump. Hey.
Hey, fight the cat, Mom. Come on now.
He got it.
Did
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you did.
I will murder you in your sleep.
Wait, no, that's terrible, baby. I need to have a different reaction like this.